Securite, 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 hello all stations. This is Regent craft testing in the vicinity of Narragansett Bay's West Passage. We are an experimental wing and ground effect vessel flying at speeds of up to 40 knots. There will be 2 support boats in pursuit.
Squire is an unmanned surface and aerial vehicle, combining the speed and maneuverability of an aerial vehicle with the persistent presence and endurance of an unmanned surface vessel. Squire operates in 3 modes: float, foil, and fly.
Transition wing move.
We get the mode up?
Yeah.
Airborne.
Airborne, stabilize.
Today we had a beautiful day out in Narragansett Bay. Squire went out there, demonstrated the core capability of a Seaglider to be able to take flight and fly very close to the water. It's always amazing to go out and see Seagliders fly. It's truly a surreal experience, and Squire really demonstrates the capability of float, foil, and flying.